Hello and welcome back to the second part of the PHP and MySQL connection tutorials. In this video, we will be creating our database that we are going to be using in this project. So for that, first of all, I'm going to open up the XAMPP control panel. And as I've shown you before, we are going to be starting the two services. That is, the first is the Apache service and the next is the MySQL service. Make sure these two are running and they have their ports assigned to them. Then go over to your browser and type in localhost, and it will take you to this page. And the next thing that you need to do is you need to go over to the tools, and underneath there is PHP MyAdmin. You need to click this, and it will take you to this PHP MyAdmin, and inside of here you need to go over to the databases, and here is a list of databases. There are some that come by default with XAMPP, and some of them I have created by for myself. I'm going to create a new database here, and I'm going to name it personnel. I'm going to create this personnel database. You need to just type in the name and click create. After the database has been created, you need to locate it in this list, and it is right here, personnel. And inside of this, I'm now going to create a table, and I am going to call it employee, and it will have 4 columns. Okay, here we are going to specify what columns that we are going to add into this table. So the first column, that is going to be the primary key, is going to be the ID. I'm going to say emp_id, and it's going to be an integer, and you need to leave all of these blank, and inside of here you need okay, over here at the index you need to click this drop down and select the primary, and that is going to make it the primary key. The next thing that you need to do is you need to click the AI. You need to check this checkbox, and that is going to make sure that this will auto increment. AI stands for auto increment, and every record that we are going to insert into this table is going to have a unique primary key. Next is going to be the emp_name. The data type is going to be varchar, and here we need to specify the length. I'm going to say it can be up to 200 characters long. After that, I'm going to say the emp_department, and I'm going to say depth. It's just to make it short, and for this I'm going to say 50, and another one is going to be what we can do is we can add the age, emp_age, and it's going to be an integer, and we do not need to provide the length value. We just yeah, we are pretty much done here. I'm just going to click save, and it's going to create our table. So what we have done so far is that we have created our personnel database, and inside of that we have created our employee table. So in the upcoming videos we are going to be using this database, and I just wanted to make this in a separate video. So I guess that's pretty much it for this tutorial, and I will be seeing you in the next one. So until then, take care.